Hi everyone, welcome to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Ishan, and I'll be your instructor for today. In today's episode, we're going to dive into some new AI features that Zoom has released and how you can utilize it to your advantage. So let's get right into it. First, I'm going to show you some features that Zoom has listed that their AI companion consists of. Some of these include in-meeting questions to catch up on what you missed in a meeting, or even summaries of what was said in the meeting. Some neat features that also stand out to me is the quick scheduling feature that allows users to schedule meetings based on the conversation context. I will attach this link in the description so you can check out all the features more if you'd like to. Let me walk you through some of the top features of the AI companion that you'll definitely want to start using right away. First up, live meeting summaries. The AI companion listens in on your conversations and gives you a live recap of what's been discussed so far. No more getting lost during long meetings, or worse, missing out on key points if you have to step away for a moment. Next, we have automated note-taking. The AI companion keeps track of everything discussed and compiles detailed meeting notes for you. It captures the highlights so you don't have to worry about scribbling down details during the meeting. Now, here's the game changer: action item follow-ups. Ever finish a meeting and forget who is supposed to do what? The AI companion automatically identifies action items and assigns them to the right people. Plus, it could even send follow-up reminders. After the meeting, the AI companion sends you a full summary of what happened, including decisions made and next steps. Perfect for reviewing later or sharing with anyone who couldn't make it. Alright. So how does this benefit you? In short, it saves you tons of time. By handling note-taking, summarizing, and following up on tasks, the AI companion allows you to focus on what matters most: the actual conversation. You'll spend less time buried in admin work and more time driving results. The AI companion on Zoom is a powerful tool that makes every meeting more efficient and organized. Whether you're in a quick check-in with your team or a long strategy session, this AI is there to make sure you stay on top of everything. It is to be noted that the AI companion requires the upgraded version of Zoom to access all these amazing features. With that being said, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to boost your productivity with the latest tech. See you next time.